What's up, guys? I'm here with my man Damian. We got connected through Facebook. I saw a post about him posting about that he had been suffering from headaches. So, I reached out to him just to, get connected, get to know him and see what was going on. And we finally got connected. I'm finally here sharing some Kangen water. But I actually have my microscope here with me. And we're going to check his blood before and after drinking Kangen water. But Damian, just tell him a little bit about what you've been experiencing with your headaches and what you're hoping.
From what the doctor's been telling me, they've been telling me I've been getting some cluster headaches and stuff. They couldn't find anything. I'm over here taking different kinds of prescriptions, all kinds of stuff. Nothing's working out for me. So, and then also been suffering with, constipation and everything. So it's just like, I think I need something new. I need a different lifestyle. So I think that this is the perfect way to do it. I've heard about it before, and I'm hoping it changes my life just like the way others are as well. So I'm just willing to give this a shot.
Yeah, and it's funny that you mentioned constipation because I actually made a post on my Facebook today about that same issue because a lot of people don't talk about that. They're like shy about it, I guess. Yeah. It's not a pretty subject. But millions of people suffer from that, and I'm here to help millions of people. So that's what I'm here doing, and so we'll see what we can see on his blood. This is the before drinking Kangen water. As you can see, his blood cells are stuck together and they look like coins. And he's gonna drink Kangen water, and we're gonna see what happens. Guys, this is just crazy.
What?
What? You see how fast they're going now? He just drank 12 ounces of Kangen water about 2 minutes ago. So I was actually putting the video together when suddenly I got a text message from Damian telling me that he's been able to go to the bathroom a lot better than before. And that makes me so happy because you have no idea how many people suffer from this problem. But unfortunately, they don't want to talk about the subject. But me personally, I've experienced seeing friends, family members, and even my friends' children, being in the bathroom over 30 minutes. And think about it, you're supposed to enjoy that. That's supposed to be really enjoyable. You're supposed to go in there, relax. But no, these people go in there and they suffer. So just think about that for a second and think about what they have to go through every single day. And thankfully, Kangen water helps with all this. So I'm really, really thankful that I have this in my life to share with, potentially millions of people. And something that we didn't tell you guys that day that we did this experiment is that Damian had been getting blood work all day long because he had been experiencing some sharp pains in his stomach. Well, it turns out that his appendix was inflamed. And something that I want to tell you guys is that if you look at the blood cells before drinking Kangen water, you could tell that his blood cells were like stuck together and they kind of look like coins stacked together. And actually that's a formation in your blood that's associated with chronic liver disease and chronic inflammatory diseases. So if you put one and one together, no wonder his appendix was inflamed. And something that he told me that really shocked me was that he had been drinking water all day long. That really stuck to me. So think about it. The water that you put into your body really does matter, whether you like it or not, or whether you believe it or not. So it's all about your choice.